Today I'm going to be showing how to disable visual effects in Windows 10. So similar to going through performance options, we are going to be exploring how to reduce the amount of effects that are being used on your computer at any given time, which inevitably will consume more system resources and will lead your computer to act more slow, especially depending on your computer specs. So in this tutorial I will be showing a way to help reduce the effect of effects on your computer's hardware. So this is going to be very simple. So we're going to start by heading over to our start menu, and we're going to go underneath the control panel. So type in control panel. It should be listed as a desktop app, so you want to left click on that. Up at the top under View By, select Large Icons. And then you want to left click on Ease of Access Center. So you want to left click on that. Then you want to scroll down here. Left click on Use the computer without a display. Underneath Adjust Time Limits and Flashing Visuals, left click on this little box where it says Turn off all unnecessary animations when possible. And at this point, you just click on Apply and OK. So you could achieve the same result by going underneath the Make the Computer Easier to See. And then if you scroll down here, you can see that it's already checkmarked where it says Turn off all unnecessary animations. I just was going through the first option we could go with here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this brief tutorial, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.